Pay attention TV ahwefo ne adofo nyina ye mo bibia good morning biemba attention TV any die mo any dedikan ye danya any dedikan wo so pay attention TV so a Mr. wa wo hwe yi a na wa like ya my what na wasan so subscribe aba ye channel no sesenia ne ekoso ma Ghana nsem atwaguo nyina won so wo benya bidi ebia to kotodwema won so nkoto esen anase ohabia enam Ghana no because intention so na sese nyina ye nam a ye de boy bra
ma do fanti no traffic no na start echi na me mo be ko na mo cheche mo traffic a chi nso de mo nhwe skekure mo akwa mo bi akwa ba ye wo Kwahu na me kire mo hawa Kwahu ha no mo tie star Kwahu tie se edu Easter ya traffic chenko ano nje me kire mo traffic station keke do ya traffic a chi okrom mo free all over the places I Ghana ha nyina e ba no won traffic na me kire mo no ti wo da mo nhwe traffic no obi a hu se oba se bia obi a o free oba Kwahu no omo ba Kwahu ebi free Accra ebi free Kumasi ebi free all over Ghana and omo ba enti so on traffic achiwa ha Joa police for abi to we police car kwa na ekono police car that's 1,000 na we go am ada say police cars we and a bisu am
24/7 police from Kwa bas esa sunya police Kwahu police from Kwa wa do so ye be man be jinu wa so be se police from Kwa bas na ba ni nyina Kwahu police from Kwa Kwahu police from Kwa odi ebejimi emma ebe ball international force di so police from Kwa emunsan yowe omre di so basa police from Kwa so now you won't come be there.
Serious accident na chede we CCRA ewo oye Kwahu na accident enyiye kete kra oye taxi ina oye VIP basi bi na chede wada crasher onye asem kete kra ehwe taxi ne za wamomwa ina oye VIP basi no so nchen wamwa na ekoko ahwe wudu yi besa GH reporting.
But you know what say? Yeah, because you want a member say and I'm about to me my your scenario. I'm about to say the from and I'm about to me pacho here me share my man here because ya me free for me na so me first time me move but you always let me move yeah because see ya no they have to see ya there yeah kira amane na mamre I only for one crap one crap there I will share that now but I will share one crap one in the way so yeah I be na nia I be na one crap one in the way we be na nia one crap one in the mind we asura nia the be we say one crap one aye abura aye ago asura aye the asura wo the ba pa da bi ebi na ya ma busura ni gira wo say oku okra o ti be ma busura say na tu ni ma crap one ebi na ba me na kata da o ga da bu di keru e pe da ma ma fo o say o ye pe ko ye se o ye busura we ya e wa crap wo aye say yo cha o na mo bi sawa no e na e ti awa e na me pa cho ma me ni sa we ni e bi kan mo ya na sa bi amo ye we ni e bi kan ya sa se e do mo ya pa ti ya ma ya di mo tradition obi o babi ofi babushia ofi mo wa crap wo awo do ọ̀tún àgbọ̀nà bí ara tó bí ẹ̀ máa ebi sẹ́dẹ̀ àmọ́mọ́lẹ́ ẹ̀ yìí rà àti ẹni di kan ẹ̀ bò bí ẹ̀ tó ọ̀tún àti ẹ̀ tó àtúwọ́nù bí ẹ̀ tó ọ̀tún bí ẹ̀ ẹ̀ bá jìlá ma. Kwahu guys me cheche mu nyina aya na ma follow Nana Dufa TV Nana Dufa on the screen is na ma follow na ma me na monim
mabedu Kwahu na Kwahu ekuro bi a Nyankopon hyira saa ekuro no pa when me bedu ho no no bepo na se ho ayi nso ato ho pa nya grohwe nti mo hwe screen so na eto na the main thing am here video ni say securities a ye do mabegu soro anya security ketua police for so mabegu soro anya adeketua nti no I think say positive nice because say security tight over bia a celebration e course no nti wo hwe a bus ya hwe nyina ye security for nko ane gum na dodo na so mi gina dodo na bitwam ho mo na bitwam we mu na idia bitwam ko nya ka ho bi.
My first time, and I'm proud to say I was the first Ghanaian to fly today. 2025, they always say the Ghanaians are afraid to fly, but this time around it was the Ghanaian who fly today. So we are proud, and it was a woman, so let's take note of that. It was a nice experience. I wasn't shaking anyway. I wanted to do it, so I came and I went and I conquered. At the middle somewhere, he was trying to give me that roller coaster fly, but I really enjoyed it. And I would like to do it again. It's nice. I like to do it again.
so what will you tell the other?
Okay, so all the Ghanaians out there, especially the ladies, please come and conquer your fears. It's not fearful at all. I mean, you enjoy it. It's so cozy in the.
Yo guys, it's all about Kwahu. Now I'm going to say crash. Say I'm going to do Kwahu. Now I'm going to say Kwahu hano who do be panasi. I'm going to say na pictures be twagu social media. Yenya no YouTube ya come up mama painty walls na wo be panasi ni nyina all the way to Tvgh na. Me na mo aka am say me ba me hwe ni nua no na me atimi no makasa na confidence e dey na motivate wo mama tiama Kwahu fefe intino. Fortunately my atimi nua no be panasi intino ya ba be bisom de ntia dey kwa na mama yes ade we. Nua e wa baba.
So bi na.
E France
your friend me Benjamin ba about be poso your friend me panty.
Now panty dey the boss e ba dey na ba mo painting walls of Kwahu. I can't hear Nama at first.
Me da say ye kan ya ko panty ayenya. Na ye say ye ko bia ye wo emprise so. I free emprise youth sanitation association. Na ye say and ade ane ye okumi ye emprise kumi ya prapra ene botamu yi. Na do fo bi omo che ne omo che iska kakra ne omo so ya san no. Ene ye say sa Easter we do dia what Captain Smart is saying. You per se you prove ma Ghana for you say no pare about Kwahu no. Tie say na youth no ye ba be ye painting obi poni. Obi do anu o twa picture kra no a send message across Amankuko say the Kwahu Easter is coming on and the kind here the best adi.
Wow, and yes a youth and yes obi na abom pa youth na ma trans aka mo.
Debi obi am ye pa obi am for adwuma nhyɛn sa ɛsɛ na me. Na emu no adofo bia be hunu ɛyi ama ye paint ɛne ye dey ato aso ayɛ the likes of ɛyɛ Emprise constituency MP. Wabere paint am ye dey ayɛ. Ɛne
no ye bi ɛyɛ no ye mo hyase na mo ye ma
na hyase ne ye no twam. Ha ɛde ohunu ye. The likes of KO7 pass official am here and to follow Woko one. Almost what the cheap pins are made.
To some ban of much say, I didn't know the pie of what a bit to a bit political and we have
and winting almost support here media. It's very I'm missing the on when the door must exactly with almost a dedicated time the boy near the lives of the MPBA. Maybe I can Emprise is okay with OPP. Honorable Davis and some people supporting the papa. The mission and the food break out in the likes of this cantonment, the likes of Kenke Promas, the likes of Bantama Park.
Movement, you know, who you know, say, ah, you know, we are the support some fair. And Obin say, as I say, many ammonia discuss it, I don't discuss it for you. And yes, I say, yeah, Mobono, and yes, I say, myself, who in a photo print. As he has the meeting, I had a boku, not who say, and price was serious, you know, Kakam the media, best idea. Wow. And there's a youth man, I'm coming. Yeah, association.
You do CC fee. Almost one can say we are going to go by because we are going home. It's how you feel. You feel so you didn't. Wow. And see, yep, I have we are. You bet proper be putting in almost based on you say I come. That is what we've been doing for a while.
Embrace youth, whether you're Bama Bass, one cry, any other Ghana for now, Bama Bass, because we pictures which are good here, my moment is that we will go there. Bass, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, night, Kwahu Busu. Now, Bana for Bapana, I paint in it beautification. What Kwahu Krabema when you grab this up for the problem. Where just a brief, a Queen Accra.